So this is a scene from the light rail station, about 8:15 on Tuesday. The sign of Hoboken is blinking, saying the train is leaving on time. That's about the only thing that's leaving on time here. As you can see, there's not a train in sight. So as far as getting to work on time, forget about it. Ain't happening. And as far as running tonight with Kenny, forget about it. That ain't happening either. One good thing, I'm not the only Mama Luke waiting for a train over here, so I got plenty of company, as you can see. Everyone seems to be in good spirits. I guess eventually we'll get where we're going.